guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back, girl. As you can see by the title, your girl is moving, and I just got the keys not too long ago, and I recorded an empty apartment tour for you guys. I'm just waiting right now on my bed to be delivered. They did give me a cute little goodie bag, and they actually gave me some good stuff. I got I think this is a fanny pack. It has their name on it, so I don't want to show the front, but a fanny pack. And they gave me a roll of tissue. They gave me some snacks. I got these. This is actually my favorite Doritos, not gonna lie. They gave me these, some M&Ms. But yeah, I think that's so cute. So I am just going to sorry guys, I got distracted. But right now I'm just waiting on the bed to come. So once the bed is here, I'll record that, and then we'll go get the U-Haul and pack up and get back here. I want to go get Starbucks, so I might go get Starbucks and something for us to eat. But yeah, I'll just get back to you guys once the bed is here. So
yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here.
So guys, they are finally done with the bed, and this is what it looks like. I got the bed from Living Spaces. I will link it down below if you guys want to take a look or purchase it. And yeah, I love it. It is more of a beigey color, but I still like it. I think it looks great. Hey guys, so we have packed up 98% of the things. We just have a few stuff to take in the car, and the U-Haul is all packed, and my mom is gonna pick up the remaining furniture. This pimple is bothering me, But guys, it's hot. We are tired and we still have to unpack the U-Haul. So we're just relaxing a bit before we drive. It's not a far drive, but I'm gonna come back and clean probably next week or the week after. I'm not sure. But what? Guys, Monir is laughing and making me feel awkward. But we're just watching some Love Island. I know he was gonna say that, you know. And then we're gonna head out in a bit and start unpacking. So get back to you guys when we're actually doing something.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing.
So it's the next day, and all we pretty much did last night was pack up the stuff, bring them up. We didn't do much. This is an update on my burn. The scab came off in my sleep, and I do have like one under my lace, but enough on my face. But this is how the apartment is looking. It's so messy. Everything is everywhere. Nothing is unpacked, but that's what unpacking is for. So the box spring finally came, and we're going to go ahead and set it up. And I left the modem at my old apartment, and I had to go get it. So I went and got that this morning, and now we're just waiting on the tech to come. And I'm just going to do a bit of organizing, because I am going to go shopping today just to get some stuff for the place. So yes, I'll see you guys when we're doing something else. Or I'm probably gonna put up the box spring now and show you guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look. don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line.
How you doing?
Hey guys, so we just got done with Ikea and we did some damage. Look how much I spent. Can you believe that? That's crazy. But we're just gonna find somewhere to eat because I haven't fed Munir all day. He had some chicken nuggets, but I haven't fed him, so I'm gonna treat him to a meal. I'm gonna treat it to a meal, Munir. Guys, we're over it. We're over moving, packing, unpacking. We're over it. But we're gonna find somewhere to eat, and I'm taking you guys with me. I need to get some gas first.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on. Yeah.
Munir, did that shit whip on me?
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me.
Hey guys, so I made it back home and we're just chilling, relaxing, probably not gonna do much for tonight, and I am just gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and as always, see you next time.